Hey guys, welcome back. You can see it's like snowing. I know. It's seriously cold out. Yeah, sorry I wasn't doing YouTube videos that much. I don't know what this came to me because I was just seriously sick. There. Yeah, seriously. Oh, here's my dog. It's my dog. Sage, say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Yeah, she was, people. Yeah. So, I was showing you how bad it was snowing out. Because, dude, earlier it was unbearable. It's snowing at your place as well. Hey, where do you live? Oh, Green Castle, PA. Oh, that's where I live as well. Okay, I'm not going to show you that because that is disgusting. Okay, I'm going this here because I'm freezing to death. Seed, come on. Yeah, I'm back inside. The hair's all messed up. Yeah. We're just watching The Voice. Alright, I'll see you guys later, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.